Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class of first. Chapter number 1, Addition and Subtraction. We already learned about the addition of the two-digit number. So in this class, we learn about the subtraction. So let's start. Subtraction of one-digit number from the two-digit number. So example is 37 minus 2. Here we subtract 2 from the 37. 37 is the two-digit number and 2 is the single-digit number. So write tens and ones. Those are the places. So in first row write 37 according to their place value and 2. 2 is the single place digit. So that's why we write 2 in a ones place. So first we start from the ones place digit. When we subtract two digit number, we start from the ones place digit. So subtract 2 from the 7. So here we draw the 3 tenses and 7 ones. So you have to cross out 2 from the 7 ones. So cross out it 1 and 2. And remaining ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones are remain. So write 5 at the ones place digit, and the tens place digit we have to write 3 because here is the tens place 0 or tens place digit is 0. When we subtract 0 from the 3, we will have 3 as the answer. So when we subtract 2 from the 37, we will get 35 as the answer. Let's do the next type. So next type is subtraction by the counting backward. So here we subtract by using the backward counting. Example is 29 minus 5. Here also write the places, then first number and then second number. And this is the sign of subtraction. So here we draw the strip, number strip and write the number from 22 to 31. यहाँ पे हमने 22 to 31 नंबर्स लिखे हैं बिकॉज हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. सो हियर वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम द 29. सो स्टार्ट जंपिंग फ्रॉम द 29 टू द बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग अप टू द 5 स्टेप्स. 5 स्टेप्स अब हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग पे जंप करते जाना है और स्टार्ट करना है फ्रॉम 29. So this is the one step from 29 to 28, second step from the 28 to 27, then 27 to 26, 26 to 25, 25 to 24. 5 steps हो गए. After jumping backward from the 29, we will get 24 at the 5th step. So 5 step jump करने के बाद हमें 24 मिल रहे हैं. So हमारा आंसर रहेगा 24. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So in this way we subtract by using the backward counting. Let's do the next, that are the story sums. Here are the story sums of the subtraction. A fruit seller had 48 apples. मतलब fruit seller के पास कितने apples है? 48 apples. He sold 6. उसमें से उसने 6 जो है वो बेच दिए. So how many apples are left with him? मीन्स उसके पास अभी कितने एप्पल बचे आफ्टर सेलिंग 6 फ्रॉम द 48. सो हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स आर लेफ्ट विथ हिम. सो राइट प्लेसेस हियर टेंस एंड वंस. देन हाउ मेनी टोटल एप्पल्स आर देयर? 48 एप्पल्स थे फूड सेलर के पास. हाउ मेनी ही सोल्ड 6 आउट ऑफ द 48. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 6 फ्रॉम द 48. सो first we start from the ones place digit. So here we subtract 6 from the 8. So draw 8 dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After drawing the 8 dot, cross out 6 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after crossing out 6, 2 are remain. So write 2 here and 4 minus 0 is 4. So in this way we solve the story sum of the subtraction. Let's do the next type. So next part is addition of two-digit number. Here we add two-digit number. So tens and ones, we have to add 32 with the 41. So in first row we write 32 according to their places, and in second row we write 41 according to their places and give the addition sign. So let's start from the ones place digit. Here first one place digit is 2 and second is 1. So 2 plus 1. You can also add this kind, or you can also draw the dots here. So 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Then after adding ones place digit, we have to add tens place digit. So 3 plus 4. So draw the 3 dot first. 3 and then 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many total number of dots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. So in this way we add two-digit number with the two-digit number. So next is the story sum. There are 24 boys and 32 girls in a class. Means एक class में 24 boys है और 32 girls है. So how many children are there in the class? So class में total number of children कितने हैं ये आपको find out करना है. So tens and ones, boys है 24 and girls है 32. So let's add 4 plus 2. So 4 के बाद 2 count करना है. 5, 6. So answer is 6. And 2 plus 3. Tens place digit है 2 and 3. So 2 after 2 आपको 3 count करना है. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5. So total number of students are 56. Next is subtraction of two-digit number. So here we subtract 33 from the 48. So let's start subtracting 33 from the 48. So first we start from the ones place digit. On ones place digit we have to subtract 3 from the 8. Okay, so draw 8 dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after drawing 8 dot, cut out 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. After crossing out 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left, so write 5 here. Here in tens place digit we have to subtract 3 from the 4. So next draw the 4 dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and cross out 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. After crossing out 3 we will have 1 as the left. So when we subtract 33 from the 48, 15 will remain. Story sum. A flower seller had a 96 flower. He sold 43. मतलब flower seller के पास कितने flowers है total? 96. उसमें से उसने 43 जो है वो sold कर दिए. So how many flowers are left with him? तो उसके पास कितने flower बचे हैं? Again we write tens and ones and total number of flower are 96 and he sold 43 from it. So subtract first 3 from the 6. So we will have 3 here and then tens place digit 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So answer is 53 flowers are left. Next is addition with the grouping. 2 digit plus 1 digit. So here we'll add 35 with the 7. So tens and ones, then 35 plus 7. So first we add this ones place digit. 5 plus 7. So 5 ones and 7 ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 होता है. So 12 में से जो वंस प्लेस का डिजिट है वो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, मतलब आंसर में, एंड जो ये 1 है जो टेंस प्लेस में आता है, सो 10 + 2 मीन्स 12 होता है। सो ये 2 तो हमने यहाँ पे लिख लिया वंस प्लेस पे, बट ये टेंस प्लेस का जो 1 है वो हम यहाँ पे कैरी करेंगे। ओके, सो 1 विल बी कैरी ओवर द टेंस प्लेस डिजिट। सो हम टेंस प्लेस को सिर्फ टेंस प्लेस के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, दैट्स वाई हमने ये जो 1 है वो यहाँ कैरी रखा है। देन we have to add 3 + 1. 3 + 1 is 4. So in this way we solve the problem with grouping, addition with the grouping. Next is subtraction with the regrouping. So here we subtract 7 from the 25. So write tens and ones and then 25 minus 7. So here we can't subtract 7 from the 5. So here we borrow from the tens place digit. So borrow 1 from these 2. So here 1 is a remain. Cross out 2 and 1 is remain. And borrow 1 from these 2 here. So यहाँ हो गए 5 को कट करके आपको 15 करने हैं. So हम यहाँ से borrow करते तो यहाँ पे 15 हो जाएंगे. And here 1 is left. So subtract 7 from the 15. So 15 में से 7 आपको subtract करने हैं. So आपको 15 डॉट ड्रॉ करने हैं and cross out 7 from it. So after crossing out 7, 8 will be remain. So write 8 here and 1 as it is. So in this way we subtract with the regrouping. So this lesson is over here. Thank you.